guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Brian Cliff. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, as we're gonna have more of these videos back to back. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to make butter chicken. This is one of the most known Indian recipe, and in my recipe I'm gonna show you what do I need and what do I have to use. So I'm gonna have my chicken, so I just chop them small chicken, just small portion. Then I'm gonna have my chili flakes, I'm gonna have my oil, I'm gonna have garam masala, I'm gonna have black pepper and salt, I'm gonna have ginger and garlic, I'm gonna have soy sauce, I'm gonna have yogurt, and all of these ingredients I'm gonna mix them together with the chicken. So I'm gonna mix them well together and marinate it for almost 10 minutes. So this is how we do it. So guys, sorry I didn't show you how I add that yogurt, but that's how my chicken looks like right now. So we're gonna go ahead and add portion of butter in my pan on the flame and let it melt for some time. After that, I'm gonna add the chicken back in there and start doing the things, start mixing it until it is well cooked, and that's how we're gonna put it aside. After it is well cooked, we're gonna keep it aside. So make sure you mix it for as long as you are satisfied that it is well cooked. So guys, as you see, my chicken is ready. It is well cooked, and we're gonna eat for some time, few minutes, and keep it aside. So guys, while the chicken is still cooked, the other ingredients that I have here are onions that I chopped 3 medium onion. I'm gonna have green pepper, I'm gonna have carrots, this is tomatoes and cashew nuts with some lemon and pepper, normal pepper, and garlic also. So let's make it. Guys, after keeping aside our chicken, we're gonna go ahead and take another pan and add some butter in there, and here we're gonna start mixing the other ingredients that I showed you earlier, like the onions, the garlic, the green pepper, carrots, tomatoes and cashew nuts. So we're gonna cook them until they are fine cooked, and we're gonna blend them to a smooth, very smooth mixture. So guys, after our mixture is fine, smooth and well mixed, we're gonna take the pan that we use. Okay, you can take whatever pan that you have, but I'm gonna use the one that I used at this first time, and I'm gonna just clean it with the paper towel and add some oil in it, just a little bit of oil. Like I put like 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm gonna add the mixture back in this pan again, and I'm gonna mix them by adding also some pepper, some lemon, and my chicken back into it. So I'm gonna mix the chicken with this mixture right here and let them simmer for some time, and our butter chicken is almost done. So guys, in this stage the ingredients that I'm gonna use is garam masala and salt. So remember that I didn't add salt at the mixing of onion, carrots and tomatoes. So here I'm gonna add some salt with 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and the chicken back in here, and the lemon, before I'm gonna add the cream or milk or anything that you have that is gonna bring the more creamy in it. So guys, without forgetting butter, I'm gonna add like 1 tablespoon of butter and let it simmer for 1 minute. From there I'm gonna add cream. So if you have coconuts, or you have milk, or you have heavy cream, you just add a little bit of it just to make sure our butter is more creamy, to add creamy in our butter chicken. And also we're gonna also add coriander and mint. So if you have coriander and mint, fresh coriander and mint, you just chop them and add them at the end after adding this cream, and let them simmer for 2 minutes. So for me today I only have mint, so I just add some mint in it just for taste and flavors, wherever. I think you'll understand. So from there we are going to let it simmer for 2 minutes, and we're going to add a little or a pinch of sugar just to bring some sweets. I think you understand. So it is not supposed to be even a 1 teaspoon. It's just a little, not even 1 teaspoon, a little of sugar in it, and our butter chicken will be ready to be served. So guys, our butter chicken is ready to be served. You can serve it with some chapatis or some rice, bread, anything that you have. It is so good. It tastes so delicious. It smells so nice, and I recommend you to try this at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share. And please stay tuned for more videos, because I'm gonna start posting back to back. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Thank you guys. Love you all.